Hey guys, welcome to Henry channel. In this video, we have this Infinix phone, and today I'm gonna show you how you can check the actual RAM of any Android phone. So watch the video till the end to find out how you can do that. Here we go. So guys, from here you can check the actual memory of your phone, which is here. You can see total memory 4 GB, which means this phone comes with 4 GB RAM. So you can check this on any phone. So guys, that's all in this video. Make sure to sub the channel and leave a thumbs up. Bye for now.